You're done already. Holy crap.
Yep. Ah! Go on the black guy. Go there. Go there. Go.
Sorry, buddy. That's all I had. Holy crap, you're fast. Right?
Okay.
I think it likes you.
There he goes.
There's nothing in my head for you.
You should do a selfie with him when you're
I know.
That's what you do right now?
No, I'm recording it right now. Because he's looking for something in my head. Parrots. All the parrots need to go on you. Come on. Thank you. And the one on my head. Thank you. Okay. I am leaving. Because I just gotta make sure nobody's in there. Alright. Bye-bye, everybody, you gorgeous little fuckers.
What's up? Hey, say hi to the camera. What up? Yeah? You guys alright? You guys good? You guys good? Alright. I'm about to put you guys down because we're about to get going. So, see you guys next time. Alright, go ahead. Come on. The bugger don't want to go, man. No one. Alright, you all set, right? It's okay. No one. Yeah. I know, right? All right, let's get the hell out of here. You ready? Dude, just what the hell? I got nothing. I got nothing. Nothing at all. Yeah, that's it. All right. Let's get you guys out. So come on. Sure. Oh, okay. Fine. I know you. Come on. Shoot. Really? Really, dude?
I think this one likes me.
Alright, so come on. Shoo. Get away from my daughter.
Oh, you're so
Yeah.
Hi, you want to join me?
Come on.
Hi. There's nothing for you, I'm afraid.
Shoo. Beast.